It's a ethical hacking disclaimer. This video serves educational purpose only. It does not promote illegal activities. Viewers are responsible for any misuse of information related to ethical hacking, cybersecurity awareness. Hello guys, welcome back to Blackbird YouTube channel, and I will teach you today John the Ripper cracking tools. So let's start. Welcome to comprehensive workshop on the John the Ripper. John is the Swiss Army knife of password recovery. It takes hashed password like one stored in /etc/shadow on the Linux or SAM hive on Windows and tries millions or billions of cases per second to find the original plain text password. Why is this important? Because weak passwords are still the number one attack vector. As a security professional, you need to understand how crackers think. John the Rippers help you to audit your own organization's password policy. In the next hour, we will dissect every flag and option you saw from John-H. I will show you not only the syntax but also the strategy, which modes to choose first, which when to use rules, how to distribute work across multiple CPUs, and much more. And so, open your terminal. Let's start cracking ethically, of course. Why John the Ripper matters. Everyone, my name is Ankit, and today we are going to master John the Ripper, the most famous password cracking tool in the world. Why should you care? Because weak passwords are responsible for over 80% of data breach. As security professional, we need to think like attacker to defend better. John the Ripper takes hashed password, those long string like Salt has and tries to reverse them back to human readable password. It supports hundreds of hash type MD5, NTLM, SHA, Banso, 512, BC crypt, and even modern ones like Organ 2. The version we using 1.9.0 Jumbo Bun, which include bleeding each feature. Over the next hour, we will explain every single command like option you saw when you type John-H. I'll give you real world strategy, performance tips, and warning. By the end, you will be able to design a professional password audit like a seasoned penetration tester. Let's begin. The most fundamental command is John, option, and password file. You feed John a file with password hashes, optionally supply option, and it start guessing. The first option you should always remember is double hyphen help. It print a wall of text. Exactly what we are deconstructing today. However, double hyphen help alone can be overwhelming because it lists over 80 flags. That's why this training exists. In practice, you rarely use all of them in one command. You combine a few based on your flag, speed, thoroughness, or stealth. For example, a basic crack on MD5 hash file would be John double hyphen format equal raw hyphen MD5 hash.txt. Notice the John automatically creates a directory slash dot John to store season file, port file, and log file. If you ever see create a directory slash home slash analyst slash dot John, it means John is ready. Never delete that folder mid-season. You will lose progress. Let's start the fastest mode, double hyphen single. I call it how hanging fruit mode instead of a huge dictionary. John will guesses from password files on metadata, usernames, real name, home directory, and even geekos field. Imagine a user called Mike with full name Mike Johnson. John will try Mike, Johnson, Mike Johnson, Jo- Johnson Mike, Mike, capital Mike, Mike 123, Johnson 2024, and many more. It also append common digit 0 to 9 and year 1992 2026. You can activate it with double hyphen single, alone, or Add custom rule immediately. Double hyphen single equal colon AZ hyphen, which append on exclamation marks to every candidate. Single mode runs in seconds or minutes, not hours. In my experience, 15 to 30 seconds, 30% of corporate password crack with single mode on. Why? Because people still use first name plus year or last name plus 123. Always run single mode before any other attack. It's free speed. Single mode becomes even more powerful when you inject external knowledge. Use double hyphen single hyphen seed equal word to add static seed words. Example: double hyphen single hyphen seed equal company, comma summer. No, now John will also try company X, comma summer and their mangled version. This is perfect for targeting phishing assessment where you know the company name or seasonal theme. If you have a list of common password morphemes like pass, comma love, comma secret, use double hyphen single hyphen word list and equal file. John will combine each seed with user's information. For user Bob, comma seed, comma love gives Bob love, comma Bob love Bob, comma Bob love 123 etc. Two-word pair can be limited with double hyphen single hyphen pair hyphen max equal n. Default is 6 pairs. We increase to 20 to 4 throwness or set double hyphen no hyphen single hyphen pair to disable any indisable pair entirely faster. I often use double hyphen single hyphen pair hyphen max equal 3 on large user base. Also, double hyphen no hyphen single hyphen retest hyphen guess control whether a cracked password is retested against other salts. By default, yes, good for shared password. Use double hyphen no hyphen single hyphen retest hyphen guess when you only need to crack one hash quickly. Now we move the most commonly used mode, double hyphen wordlist equal file. You give John a test file with one password per line. The classic word list is logq.txt, 410 million real password from 2019 or 2009 breach. John has each word and compare to your target hashes syntax. John double hyphen word list equal slash user share word list logq.txt and hashes.txt. But what if you don't have a file? Use double hyphen stdin to read from standard input. For example, crunch 8 abc 123 pipe John double hyphen stdin hashes.txt. Crunch generate permutation on the fly. Even better is double hyphen pipe. It's like double hyphen stdin but uses bulk reads and crucially allow rules. With double hyphen pipe you can apply mangling rules to streaming input. Example: John double pipe hyphen pipe double hyphen rules equal west 64 double hyphen word list equal hash.txt. The sec command generate number. John pipes them through files. Rules. Without rules, wordlist mode is just brute force reading. With rules, it becomes a mutation engine. But remember, larger wordlist take time. I always start with the top 1 million password from ROQ, then move to full ROQ, then add rules. Wordlist mode can preload the entire wordlist into RAM for maximum speed. By default, John preload files up to 2048 MB like 2 GB. Change this with double hyphen mem hyphen file hyphen size equal size. Example: double hyphen mem hyphen file hyphen size 40,096 preload up to 4 GB. Preloading avoid disk IO which is crucial when using SSD or network drives. Now, duplicates waste times. If password appear 50 times in your word list, John will test it 50 times. Double hyphen dupe hyphen suppression eliminate duplicate and force payload because it builds a unique set in the memory. For roq.txt, duplicate removal can cut candidate count by 30 to 50%, huge speed boost. However, be careful on low RAM system. If you have 4 GB total RAM and force a 3 GB deduplicated word list, your system may start swapping. Use double hyphen dupe hyphen suppression on servers with 16 GB plus RAM for quick test. Skip it. There's also double hyphen mkpc equal n max key per encrypt. It lowers the numbers of cases per hash calculation, useful for every slow hashes like bcrypt. Default is auto-tune. You really need to touch it. Double hyphen loopback equal file is a genius idea. Instead of reading a static dictionary, John reads password from his own pod file, the file where cracked passwords are stored. Why? Because people reuse password across different account or system. If you cracked summer 2024 for one hash, that same password might work for another hash. Loopback takes those already cracked passwords and test them against the remaining uncracked hashes. You can also point to a custom file double hyphen loopback equal mypassword.txt combined with rules double hyphen loopback double hyphen rules equal west 64. This mangles each cracked password and retest. In practice, after running single mode and wordlist mode, I run loopback with rules. It typically cracked additionally 5 to 10% of remaining hash. It's like having a smart assistant that say, hey, we already saw password 123. Let's try password 123 and password 123 on the other. Never skip loopback if you have more than 10 uncracked hashes. It's low cost and high rewards. Rules are what make Jones superhuman. A rule is short instruction that modifies a base word. For example, L lowercase everything, U uppercase, C capitalized first letter, R reverses D duplicates A to Z appended digit 0 to 9, A0 prepend digit, SO5 replace O with 0 and S with 5, I33T speak. You can chain rules CR capitalize even reverse starting with John. You get capital J O H N then N H O capital J. John ship with pre-made rules set in john.conf. The most useful double hyphen rules equal word list about 30 common mutation and double hyphen rules equal best 64 most effective rules fast and powerful. Double hyphen rules equal all hundreds of rules very slow. You can also define immediately rules on the command line like double hyphen rules equal colon az123 l az 5. The colon means immediate list, semicolon separate rules. So this say append 1 to 3, then lowercase the whole word, then append 5. Test your rules with and double hyphen stdout John double hyphen word list equal list.txt double hyphen rules equal west 64 double hyphen stdout 5 head hyphen 20 to see the first 20 candidates. Warning: rules explode the candidate count. A 1,000-word dictionary with west 64 becomes 60 40 640,000 guesses. With all, it could be million. Always start with best 64. Also, you can stack rule set using double hyphen rules hyphen stack. We will cover that later. Sometimes one rule set is not enough. You want to apply rule set A, then on the result of A apply rule set V, that's double hyphen rules hyphen stack. Example, double hyphen rules equal waste 64, double hyphen rules hyphen stack append year. First, John runs the 64 best transformation, then on each of those transformed word, it appends the current year 2024, 2025. So spring West 64 gives spring 1 to 3, spring 1 and G etc. Then append year given spring 1 2024, spring 1 to 3 2024, spring 1 and G 2024. This crack password like spring 2024 where spring is mutation of spring. Stacked rules are powerful but exponential. Use them only after you have cracked everything else. Now, double hyphen rules hyphen skip hyphen pop is a performance saver. Many rules set include NOP rules, just a colon, meaning output the word unchanged. If you already run a password word list attack without rules, you have already tested the unchanged words. Adding double hyphen rules hyphen skip hyphen nope tells John to ignore those NOP rules, cutting runtime by up to half with zero slows. Always add this happen you have previously run a planned password unlist attack. Double hyphen incremental equal mode is John's brute force mode. It tries every possible combination of character up to certain length but not randomly. It uses character frequency learned from previously cracked password. For example, E is tried before Z and common diagraph like th are prioritized. John comes with predefined incremental modes and john.conf alpha A to Z digest 0 to 9 ALNUM letter plus digit landman uppercase plus digit and all printable ASCII uses John double hyphen incremental equal alpha hashes.txt. This will try all combination of letter from 1 to 8 character default max length. You can override character count with double hyphen incremental hyphen car count equal n. Example, double hyphen incremental equal digits, double hyphen incremental hyphen car count equals 6. Try all 6 digits pin. Incremental modes is exhaustive. It will eventually crack any password that fits within the key space, but eventually can mean in centuries for 8 character full SCII over 6 quadrillion possibilities. So use incremental only when you know the password is short 6 character or you have very fast hash like MD5. Practical strategy first single, then wordlist plus base 64, then incremental with ALNUM up to length 6, then longer if you have time. Never start with incremental, it's the last resort. Mask mode double hyphen mask equal mask is smart faster brute force when you know part of the password structure. It's inspired by Haskell's mask attack. A mask use placeholder question mark L equal lowercase letter question mark U equal uppercase letter question mark D equal digit question mark years equal special character question mark A all printable SCII character question marks H hex digit 0 to 9 A to F. Example, mask equal a question mark u question mark l question mark l question mark l question mark d question mark d. That's uppercase plus 3 lowercase plus 2 digit. So abcd 1 2 zxyz double nine etc case key space 26 into 26 3 into 10 equal 40 million 45 million, a very crackable in minutes on GPU. You can also use static character like double hyphen mask equal pass question mark d question mark d question mark d tries pass triple zero to pass triple nine. If you run double hyphen mask without a mask, John used the default from john.com, usually question mark L question mark L question mark L for 8 times for similar. Mask mode is much faster than full incremental because it only explores the position and the character set you specify. I use it when I know password policy minimum 8 character, one uppercase, one digit, then mask becomes you can see on screen and so on. Pro tips is this combine mask with wordlist not directly, but you can pipe a wordlist into mask mode by double hyphen stdin and then use rules that's advanced. Double hyphen external equal mode tap into John's most flexible feature external generated script written in a C-like language inside john.conf. You can define a function generate a and that yield password according to any custom logic, something impossible with static rules or mask. For example, the non-force external mode emulates the old core logic rules. Another example, append year takes a base password and append years from 1900 to 2026 or let speaks replace vowels with numbers. How to use it? First, ensure the external mode is defined in john.conf. Then run john double hyphen external equal append year hashes.txt. John will call the generate function is repeatedly. External modes are slow because they are interpreted, not compiled, but they give you unlimited flexibility. Use them when you have a very specific pattern that mask and rules cannot express. Example passwords that are palindromes or passwords that are username reversed plus a checksum. Most users never need external modes. For 99% of cases, rules and masks suffice. But if you are a developer or a researcher, external mode is a playground. Double hyphen markup equal option is a probabilistic mode. It uses markup chain, a statistic model, to generate passwords that are likely based on training corpus. The idea, instead of trying all combinations, they try most probable sequence first. For example, after seeing TH is very probable, markup mode learns these probability from a state file. You generate a state files with a double hyphen make hyphen corset or a tool like John double hyphen markup hyphen stats equal stats.txt double hyphen mkb hyphen stats equal some file. They run double hyphen markup John the double hyphen markup double hyphen mkb double hyphen stats equal stats.txt hash.txt. Markup mode is excellent when you have a large set of cracked passwords from a similar environment. Your company's own password history, it will guess password like winter 2024 before ZXCVBNM. Open option inside double hyphen markup level control how many states per step. Default is fine. Compared to incremental, markup is more efficient for human memorable password. Compared to wordlist plus rules, it can find password not it in any dictionary but still guessable. In practice, I rarely use markup because Wordlist plus base 64 is simpler and nearly as effective. But for content cracking, crack me competition, markup often wins. Friends, probability infinite chain element mode activated by double hyphen prince equal file is a hybrid word list generator. Unlike the traditional word list or rules, prince take words from a list of port file with double hyphen prince hyphen loopback and combine them into chain of varying length. Example of password list: pass, word, 123. Parents can generate pass, word, 123, password, word pass, pass 123, 123 pass, password 123, word 123 pass, and the indefinite infinite combination. It does not just concatenate, it can also permute a case of first letter double hyphen prince hyphen case hyphen permute. You control chain length with double hyphen prince hyphen elem hyphen cnt hyphen min equal n. Default is 1 and prince double hyphen prince hyphen elem hyphen cnt hyphen max n default is at. Negative max means related to original word length hyphen 2 would generate chains up to original length plus 2. To avoid generating too many candidates, use double hyphen prince hyphen skip first n, and double hyphen prince hyphen limit equal n, stop after n. Prince is ideal for phosphorus like correct those batteries stable long password drawn drawn from a dictionary of common words. Run it with a good password list of 1000 to 1 lakh common words. Also, double hyphen prince hyphen wl hyphen dist hyphen len calculate length per distribution from the word list to optimize chance. Double hyphen prince hyphen w hyphen max equal n limit how many words are loaded. Prince can be slower than rules but often crack phosphorus that rules miss. I use prints after wordlist plus base 64 before incremental. Double hyphen subsets equal corset. Mode is a specialized brute force that uses a defined set of characters and tries all combination of subset of that set. For example, corset equal 1 ABC123, subset modes will try A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, AB, AC, A1, BC, etc. Up to certain size. You can force a minimum a unique character count with double hyphen subset hyphen mn hyphen diff equal n and maximum numbers with double hyphen subset hyphen max hyphen diff equal n. Negative max means relative to password length. For example, double hyphen subset hyphen max hyphen diff equal -2. Say the number of unique character can be up to password length plus 2. Use hyphen double hyphen subsets hyphen required equal n to force the first n characters of the car set to appear in every candidate. This is powerful when you know the password must contain a certain character type. Double hyphen subset hyphen prefer hyphen sort prefers shorter candidates over smaller subsets. Defaults double hyphen subsets hyphen prefer hyphen small does the opposite of it. Subsets modes is less common but useful for crack mess. When password is made from a small alphabet, example only hex digit, it's only also good for testing pins with double hyphen subsets equal 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 7, 8, 9. Double hyphen make hyphen card set equal file. Create a custom card set file for incremental mode. How John analyzes a set of cracked passwords from a file or provided password list and calculates character frequency at each position. The resulting corset can be used with a double hyphen incremental equal my custom. Example: John double hyphen make hyphen corset equal my dot chr double hyphen wordlist equal rocku.txt. This scan rocku.txt and build a frequency table. Then you run John double hyphen incremental equal my custom hash.txt. Now double hyphen stdout equal length is diagnostic tool. Instead of cracking John print generated password to standard output, you specify a maximum length to truncate. Example: John double hyphen mask equal question mark L question mark L question mark D double hyphen stdout equal 3. Print all two letters plus one digit combos, but cut each candidates to 3 characters. Double hyphen stdout is even inavaluable for testing rule set mask incremental configuration. Before a real crack, use it with head-n100 to preview. Remember, double hyphen stdout does not require a password file. You can run John double hyphen wordlist equal text.txt double hyphen rules equal best 64 double hyphen stdout and pipe aircrack hyphen ng piping into other tools. Long cracking season can run for days. John provides season management to stop and resume safely. Double hyphen season equal name give you cracking season a unique name. John creates files in slash dot john slash name dot rec command name dot log for log and updates john dot port globally. To stop season regressfully, press Ctrl C. Once John catches the signal, saves progress, and exits. To resume, run John double hyphen restore equal name of file. You don't need to specify the original option. John remember them from the .rec file. Double hyphen status equal name print the current progress of running or post season without name. It show the default season. Output includes guesses password per second, percentage done, estimate time left and cracked account. Double hyphen progress hyphen every equal n forces John to emit a status line every n second. Even without a new cracks, use this for long-running jobs to monitor progress. Double hyphen no crack hyphen status control whether John prints a status line every time a password is cracked. Default is on. Turning it off reduces noise when cracking many hashes. Example: its workflow is first John double hyphen season corp colon a hyphen audit double hyphen wordlist rocku.txt hashes.txt control C after 1 hour and John double hyphen status hyphen corp hyphen audit. Next day John double hyphen restore equal corp hyphen audit. Never delete .rec file until you have fully finished. They are tiny but precious. After John cracks some hashes, you want to see the result. Double hyphen show does exactly that. Run John double hyphen show hashes.txt. John reads the port file matches cracked hashes and output username colon password for each. If you used a file without username, it outputs just the password. Double hyphen show equal left show only the hashes that are not cracked. Useful to see what remains. Double hyphen show equal format prints information about the hashes in the file in JSON format. Hash type, salt, cost, parameters, etc. Great for scripting. Double hyphen show equal invalid. Show in lines in input file that are not valid for the selected hash format. Use this when John refuses to load a hash file. It will tell you which lines are malformed. Example: John double hyphen show hashes.txt cracked passwords, and John double hyphen show equal left hashes.txt uncracked hashes. John double hyphen format equal bc crypt double hyphen show invalid hashes.txt find word bc crypt v crypt lines. Remember, double hyphen show does not recheck anything, it will query the import file. If you crack more hashes later, run show again. Double hyphen test equal time runs John's built-in self-test and benchmark. It measures how many hashes per second your machine can compute for each supported format. Example: John double hyphen test equal 10. Run each test for 10 seconds. This is essential when you get a new server or GPU. You need to know which hash types are fast, MD5 millions per second versus slow B script thousands per second. Test double hyphen test equal 0 runs the test without benchmarking, good for verifying John works correctly. Double hyphen stress hyphen test equal time loops the self test forever or for time second. It is used to detect rare bugs or hardware instability for normal cracking. Double hyphen test hyphen full equal level run more through test including each case and error candidates level can 1 or 2. Use this if you suspect a bug in specific format. Double hyphen no mask when used with double hyphen test is without mask mode optimization, giving a baseline performance. Double hyphen skip hyphen self hyphen tests bypasses all self tests, speeding up John startup. Only use this if you are absolutely sure the Jones build is stable. Otherwise, you might get false negative. Pro tips is they always run John double hyphen test after compiling a new version to ensure everything works. Sometimes you only want to attack specific users or skip certain ones. Double hyphen users equal hyphen login or pipe UID and other does that. Example: double hyphen user equal root comma admin only load hashes for root and admin. Double hyphen user equal hyphen both load every user except both. Similarly, double hyphen group equal GID and other filter by group ID from double slash etc slash group useful when you only care about users in pseudo group. Double hyphen cell equal cell and any other filtering by login cell. For example, double hyphen cell equal slash win slash bash or slash wins ZSS loads users with interactive cells. Double hyphen cells equal hyphen slash swin slash no login exclude service accounts. Now salt X salts equal counts colon max control which salt values are loaded, and salt is random value prepended to the password before hashing. Hashes with same salt can be cracked together like saved effort is this double hyphen salt equal 10 only loads salt that have at least 10 hashes popular salts, and double hyphen salts equal 2 colon 5 salts with between 2 and 5 hashes. Double hyphen salt equal hyphen 2 loads salts with less than 2 hashes. Unique salts double hyphen salts equal hash 5 load 5 most populated salt double hyphen salts equal hash 3 -7 load salt ranked 3rd to 7th in population. This is pro-level trick. Attack highly populated salt first, cracked one password, unlock many accounts, default password, then attack rare salts later. Also double hyphen cost filter tunable cost parameter like bcrypt cost factor. Example double hyphen cost equal to colon 10. Only load bcrypt hashes with cost between 2 and 10. Cracking can be massively parallelized on single multi-core machine. Use _fork equal n. N is the number of processes. John split the candidate space even among them. Example: John _wordlist equal to rowq.txt _fork equal 8 hashes.txt. Use 8 CPU cores. Each forks run independently writing to the same port file. John handles synchronization benefit, near linear speedup for wordlist and rules modes. For distributed cracking across multiple machines, use _node min max slash total. This is more complex. Total is number of nodes. Min-max is the range of key space partition this node handles. For example, if you have 4 computers assigned node 1 _node equal 1 slash 4 node 2 _node equal 2 slash 4 node 3 _node equal 3 slash 4 node 4 _node equal 4 by 4. John will automatically split the key space for incremental mass capacity modes so that no nodes does duplicate works. Node mode does not work for wordlist mode. Useless for manually split the wordlist file. For wordlist, use _fork on the machine or external tools like split. Real world example cracking a 9 character ALNUM password with incremental with 16 AWS instance, each with _node equal x slash 16. You reduce time from years to week. Always ensure all nodes share the same boot's file, example by NFS, or you will lose cracked password aggression. _save-memory equal level reduces John's memory footprint at the cost of speed. Level can be 1, 2, or 3. Higher level equal less memory, slower. Use this when cracking on embedded system or old hardware with fans 1512 MB RAM. Level 1 is usually enough. Now logging by default, John writes to /john/john.log to disable log file entirely. For stealth or to avoid SSD wear, use _log _log stderr force log output to stdr the terminal instead of the log file. Useful when you run John in a container or want real-time logging without clutter a disk. _verbosity equal n. Verbo controls how much detail John prints. Range 1 silent to 5 verbose with 6 for debug out file. Default is 3 during normal cracking. Leave it 3 when debugging. Rules set to 5 or 6. _force-tty force John to set up terminal input even it's not foreground process. Rarely used, only when running John under a debugger or from a script that needs to read keyboard interrupt. _field-separator-car equals C. Change the default colon delimiter in input and port file. Example: some hash files use tab or space. Set _field-operator-car, and you can see on screen this is for tab, useful for usual format. Password can be in non-ASCII encoding like UTF-8, ISO 88591 or Windows 1252. John needs to know how to interpret input files and how to generate candidates. Double hyphen encoding equal name or double hyphen input hyphen encoding tells John the encoding of your password file. Example, double hyphen encoding equal UTF hyphen 8 double hyphen external hyphen code page equal name defines the code page used inside John's rules and mask. For example, if you set double hyphen external hyphen code page equals CP850, then rules like L lowercase will work correctly for accented character in the code page. Double hyphen target hyphen encoding equal name set the output encoding for the format. Some hashes format like plaintext expect a specific encoding. Why is the important? Consider a password like Molar. If you see ISO 8859-1 rules but has expect UTF-8, Jones might generate Mueller as two bytes C3 and BC, while hash uses FC mismatch. Correct encoding ensure candidate match the exact byte the hash algorithm saw. For most English only password, you can ignore encoding, but the international environment misconfiguration leads to false negative. Always check the hashes source encoding. Use double hyphen list equal encoding to see what zone supports. To control how long zones run, use double hyphen max hyphen candidate equal hyphen n to stop after n password guesses. If n is negative, reset the count on each crack. So if you crack a hash early, you still get a fresh count for remaining hashes. Example: double hyphen max hyphen candidate 10,000. Stop after one 10,000 password attempt. This is great for quick test. Double hyphen max hyphen run hyphen time equal hyphen n. Stop after n second. Negative also reset on each crack. Example: double hyphen max hyphen run hyphen time equal 1300. Stop after 1 hour. Use this for overnight job where you want a automatic cutoff. Double hyphen length equal n is shortcut for setting both double hyphen min hyphen length equal n, double hyphen max hyphen length equal n. For example, double hyphen length equal 8 only generate exactly 8 characters candidate. Double hyphen min hyphen length equal n, double hyphen max hyphen length equal n. Independently set bounds useful when you know password policy minimum 8 characters. Double hyphen reject hyphen printable reject any candidate that contains non-printable binary character. This prevents Jones from wasting time on weird control characters that are never actual password. Double hyphen tune equal how affect performing tuning option auto default report print tuning information or a number manual tuning rarely needed. These limits are critical when you use the time constrained or when you want to test only a specific key specs segment. I always set double hyphen max hyphen run hyphen time for long cracking season. It's safer than relying on manual interruption. The port file, short for port of code, store all password cracked. Default location /john /port john.port. You can override with double hyphen port equal name. Example: double hyphen port equal mycrack.port. Why use a custom port? When you are working on multiple projects, you want separate port file to avoid cross-contamination or You want to share a port file across a cluster. Double hyphen no hyphen loader hyphen dope check. Disable duplicate checking when loading hash. Normally Jones skip loading duplicate hashes to save memory, but if your hash file has intentional duplicate, example same hash or different users, disabling dupe check allow users or you to load and crack both separately. Usually you don't need this. Double hyphen regain hyphen lost hyphen salts equal n is a exotic option when you have hashes with non-salts due to corruption. John can brute force the salt by trying n possible salt values. This is rarely used. It's for recovering partially broken hash files. Double hyphen guessing or double hyphen no keep guessing. Control whether John continue to search for a plain text collision after failing one match. For example, two different passwords may produce the same hash, a hash collision. Enable this for cryptographic research. For normal password recovery, keep it disabled. Double hyphen list is your friend when you forget what John support. It output a wealth of information. Example, double hyphen list equal format all supported has format 500 plus. Double hyphen list equal subformat detailed format variant. Example, anti out anti hyphen free ds and other. Double hyphen list equal rules all rules commands with description. Double hyphen list equal modes available cracking modes. Double hyphen list equal encoding support input encoding. Double hyphen list equal option all commands line option same as a help. Double hyphen list build hyphen info compiler architecture and feature. Why is this useful? When you get a hash you need to know the exact format. What's the name for double hyphen format run double hyphen list equal format pipe graph hyphen I md5 to find raw md5 md5 crypt or ntlm etc. Also, double hyphen list equal plugins so loaded dynamic plugins. Pro tips double hyphen list equal format hyphen details gives verbose info about each format, benchmark, speed, and cost parameters. Double use double hyphen list library during your learning phase. It's better than hunting through documentation. John reads configuration from john.com or john.ini. Override with config equal file. Example, double hyphen config equals slash home analyst slash custom conf. This lets you have multiple rule set incremental modes and external generates per project. Double hyphen bear hyphen always hyphen valid equal y. Change how John interpret bear hashes. A bear hash is a line containing only the hash, no username by default. John validate the hash format matches with Y. John will treat any line as a valid hash even if it does not strictly follow format rules. Useful for malformed hash terms. Normally leaves as n. Double hyphen subformat equal format is used for double hyphen format equal crypt means crypt to select a specific crypt 3 subformat like $6 for SHA 512 double hyphen field hyphen separator hyphen car equals C. We covered earlier changes delimiter. These are advanced tweaks. Most users never needs them, but when you encounter weird hash files, they become file savers. Let's synthesize everything into a realistic attack plan against a file shadow.txt containing 10,000 Linux SHA 512 crypt hashes. Step 1. Single mode with needs seeds. John double hyphen single seed equal company secret, comma, summer 2024 shadow.txt. This crack predictable personal passwords. Step 2. Passwords wordlist with base64 rules. John double hyphen wordlist equal rockU.txt double hyphen rules equal waste 64 double hyphen rules hyphen skip hyphen no shadow.txt tries 14 million password equal 6 into 64 rules 896 million candidate. Step 3. Loopback with rules. John double hyphen loopback double hyphen rules equal waste 64 shadow.txt recycles cracked password from step 1 and 2. Step 4. Mask mode for common pattern. John double hyphen mask equal question mark U question mark L question mark L question mark L question mark L question mark D question mark D question mark D double hyphen main hyphen length equal 8 double hyphen max hyphen length 8 shadow.txt tries uppercase plus 4 lower plus 3 digit 26 into approx 3 billion candidate it will try. Step 5. Prince moved with common word list. John double hyphen prince equal user share word list english.txt double hyphen prince hyphen elem hyphen cnt hyphen min equal to double hyphen prince hyphen elem hyphen cnt hyphen max equal 4 shadow.txt combine 2 to 4 common English words into phosphorus. Step 6. Incremental as a last resort only for short password. John double hyphen incremental equal ALNUM double hyphen min hyphen length equal 1 double hyphen max hyphen length equal 6 shadow.txt. Between step use double hyphen status to monitor and double hyphen season to save progress. Use double hyphen fork 8 on an 8 core machines. This workflow attacks 70 to 90% of real-world attacks hashes with a reasonable time adjust based on threat model and time budget. Before you starting cracking a essential reminder, only crack passwords on system you own or have explicit written permission to test. Unauthorized password cracking is illegal in most jurisdictions. It's a considered computer misuse or even a felony. John the Ripper is a legitimate tool for editing your own organization password policy, recovering lost password from your account encrypted files, forensic analysis for seized drives with proper authorization, education research in a controlled lab environment. Never use Jones to break the someone else's account even if you think it's just for fun. That's the crime. Many companies hire penetration testers to crack their own hash. That's legal when done under contract. Always get a signed agreement. The skill you learn today should be used to defend, not attack. Help your friend and family choose stronger passwords. Show your IT department how easy it is to crack summer 2024. Then help them implement multi-factor authentication and password manager. We white hat stay ethical. Now go make the internet safer. Okay, we will do practical of this lab, which is I will try one or two hashes to crack with the rockio.txt. So first of all, we have to hash any words. We come with a hash generator. So We will try analyst and generate hash. It has generated, and I will save this in s.txt. Bim s.txt. I had saved it, and this is MD5, so crack it. This is a command to cracking the s.txt, and format is MD5, and usually word list is roq.txt. So then enter. We got the I had in has the analyst name, and we got the analyst name and plan test. So I we cracked the hash of MD5. So we will try now SHA 256 black, and SHA 256 generate hash. It had generated the hash, and I will copy it and paste in bim.txt to remove first hash and insert this. I had saved this file, and we have to come in for raw format, and here we have to write SHA 256. We write the SHA 256 format, and we had has the 256 in website and save in the s.txt. So decode it. We got the plan test black, which I encode in 256. So this kind of you can try and crack any password with John the Ripper. So first of all, we had covered all the John -h, all single rule, password, single pair, and everything I had tried and I had explained. You can try with your terminal. So thank you.